Welcome back to Squawk Box. The Korean markets are pointing to a mixed open this morning, but data-wise, we're seeing a very strong picture. Korea's February trade surplus came in at 7.7 billion US dollars for the month of February, which is a surplus for the 37th straight month. Overall, exports were down 3.3% year-on-year to $41 billion, but imports were down even more, down 19.7% in the month of February. So exports were down because auto exports were weak. They were down 17.8% during February. But some sectors to watch today at the open from this data are the shipbuilders. The shipbuilding sector showed a huge jump in exports, up 121% year-on-year. And also Samsung and SK Hynix. I'll be watching them today with data showing that memory chips exports also jumped 6.5% as well. Looking at them by country, exports to the U.S. were up 7.4%, and exports to Australia were up 166% year-on-year. So we are seeing some big changes in where the exports are going. And also, I'll be watching the Korean won today. The Korean won is showing some major moves since the surprise rate cut last week. The won is at almost a 2-year low, a 20-month low against the U.S. dollar. Also, Finance Minister Choi Kyung-hwan is saying that there are still some concerns around the economic data that's still not showing a significant improvement, and also low income growth, increasing household debt, and are still ongoing issues, which are meaning less investment from the corporate sector. So I'll be watching the Korean won today at the open, which are showing some major moves. Some analysts are still saying they're expecting another rate cut in the near future. So I'll be watching how the won moves. And also I'll be watching the autos as a sector. The SUV sales growth are a major growth engine for Hyundai Motors, looking at the recent data that we're getting. So I'll be watching the autos at the open as well. And we'll bring you the opening numbers for Seoul and Tokyo when Squawk Box returns. Stay with us.